Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. I'm so excited about this. This is my last beauty subscription box that I have to unbox for the month of November. So if you want to see both of my Ipsy Glam bags, my BOXYCHARM base box, and my Glossy Box unboxings, those are already up on my YouTube channel. So this is actually feeling very light this month, but it's now $39.99 a month. It had a price increase starting the month of November. It used to be an extra $35 a month, so going up to $40 a month. I really hope it's going to be worth it with the value that I get in here. So BOXYCHARM Premium is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it's supposed to be customized to your preferences. And I love it. I think you get great brands, great value. And so I'm really excited to see what I got in this box here. So without further ado, let's get into it. I feel like they used a really large sized box that they could have used a smaller box, save on shipping. But I've got some product information here, which is great because in BOXYCHARM you get all full-size products, so I can add up my total retail value. And so let's start here. This has beautiful packaging on it. It says The Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. This is cool. It's an eye serum, and I'm always talking about on my channel how my under eye circles are one of my skin concerns and something that I really want a good concealer to cover up, but I have never used an anti-dark circle serum, so I'm really excited to try this out. I definitely typically prefer makeup in my beauty subscription boxes, but if I'm going to get skincare, I want it to be something like this, something different than what I have in my collection. So yay. Which actually, speaking of makeup, I forgot to mention that I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in all of these beauty subscriptions for the month, any of the makeup products that I get in this box. So that's why I'm not trying them all out right now. But so the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now retails for $38. Next up, a little product here from the brand Riddle, I think. And it says roll-on fragrance oil in original. So I'm excited to see that I've been getting some different fragrances in my beauty subscriptions lately, which I never used to really get any fragrances. And I love trying out different types of perfumes and fragrances. And this is really cool. It just has like a question mark on it. So what is it going to smell like? Interesting. Okay. I got to read a little bit more about this. So Riddle Oil, original roll-on oil, retails for $50. It says made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured your roll-on original fragrance is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Well, that sounds really cool. So I'm going to put a little on my wrist here. It doesn't even feel like anything's rolling on. Maybe it's like a very, but then I smell it. It's like a dry oil, so that's a cool technique. I mean, roll-on fragrances is a thing, but I don't really have any. Ooh, I like it though. I'm not really into like musky smells, but it really doesn't smell too musky at all. It smells really fresh. It smells unique. I really like that. I like that more than I thought I would. Oh, that's really exciting. But look at how tiny this is. $50 for this tiny roller. Wow. Okay, next up, I see a product from the brand Riddle. I really like the brand Riddle. And here are blush drops. This is so cool. liquid blush in the shade Frosted Pink. Now this is a type of makeup product that I am so excited to see. It's different, it's unique, cool. I hope that this pink will look good on me because I'm pretty particular about my blush shades, but the packaging on this looks beautiful. I bet this has high retail value. Oh my goodness. I am seriously so excited about every product I have pulled out so far. So, the Rodial Blush Drops retails for $50. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have some really high retail value in this box. Oh, and I just keep like getting whiffs of the smell and it's so nice. Okay, next, ooh, this is from the brand Nude Sticks. It's Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. Lemon and pain and apple and pomegranate. Is this a mask? Yeah, it says apply as a mask all over face. Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes. That does not sound like a process or a technique that I would enjoy. And rinse off with water. Use 3 to 4 times per week. Okay, so I have actually mentioned this in some of the other beauty subscriptions that I got this month, that I'm not too excited to get masks. I just have so many of them. It's a type of product that I've filled out on my surveys that I don't really want to get. And especially clay masks, but like a peel-off mask. I am not into peel-off masks. I don't like the sound of this. I mean, I can't really knock it before I try it, but I think this is probably a product that I will just gift to someone else this season, this holiday season. That's what I'm keeping in mind for the products that I'm getting that I don't think I'm going to get too much use out of. But I am very curious to hear in the comments down below if you have tried this out. Let me know what you think of it. It's an interesting concept, and I'm surprised that Nude Sticks makes a product like this. And I do like the yellow packaging. But so the Nude Skin by Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel retails for $34. So $34 for a mask is high end. I feel like that's a high price point, so it would make a great gift to give someone. Next up, oh, this is from KVD, and it's the Lock It Powder Foundation that I got in the shade Fair 110. I love to get face makeup like foundation, concealer, and I've actually gotten quite a bit of that this month in my beauty boxes, so I'm really pumped about that. I'm so excited to try this out. I don't really know too much about this. I don't know if it has high ratings or not, but I am so picky with my foundation. This is really cool packaging. Wow. Huge packaging for what seems like a little amount of product. But yay, this will be really fun to try out. And the KVD Beauty Lock It Powder Foundation retails for $37. Yeah, all of the products in this box this month seem like high-end, expensive price points in my opinion. So that's why I love BOXYCHARM. I feel like you get a lot of products like that. And my final product here, which, wow, how many products did I get? 6 products, which I think you typically get 6 or 7 products. But this here is from the brand Galactic, which is a brand that I've actually become familiar with through Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. And this here is the, Rose Oil Petal Gloss. That's so nice. I love a lip gloss. I think I've probably tried out lip products from Galactic before, but not this particular one. And I love the sound of a rose oil petal gloss. I was hoping it would have some sort of like flower aspect to it, and look at this. It does. It has actual real flower petals in it. I think that is so cute. And I love getting lip glosses and trying out lip glosses. My lips are so dry right now, so maybe this will be really nourishing and hydrating for my lips. And it makes it special and unique, the fact that it has real flowers in it. So, wow, I feel like the products that I got in this box are like more unique versions of those typical products. So this is really cool. And by the way, the Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss retails for $20. So yeah, everything is a high price point item in my opinion. I'm going to do a quick recap and I will let you know the total retail value because I feel like I got great value in this box. So I got the Galactic Petal Gloss, the KVD Beauty Powder Foundation, the Rodial Blush Drops, and those are the 3 makeup products that I got. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on those very soon. And then for skincare, I got the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Serum, the Nude Sticks Mask, and then I got the fragrance roll-on from the brand Riddle, which, let's check in with how it smells. I just feel like every time I smell it, I love it even more. Wow. Of course I would love something that is so expensive. Like this is seriously a fragrance that I want to wear every day and that I want to repurchase. Wow. It's still so potent, but not too overwhelming. That's a really nice fragrance. And so all of that brings me to a total retail value of $229. That all of this cost me $40, but it's worth $229. That is such incredible value. I love it. I really think that BOXYCHARM or Ipsy, whichever one you prefer, is a great gift to give someone because here, someone would be gifting me $230 pretty much of products that they'd only have to pay $40 for. So I just love these amazing deals. I'm so excited to try out these products. So let me know if you've tried any of them out. Let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.